Hey everyone, what is up? On today's video, I'm going to show you the different types of advertising campaign in Amazon PPC. I'll be showing you how to navigate the three types of campaign and go through each one of them. So first up, we'll go to our Amazon Seller Central account and then click on Advertising, then Campaign Manager. So once you click on Campaign Manager, you will see the screen. And the first thing that we will have to do is to create campaign by clicking this. Once click, you will be prompted on the screen. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is sponsored products. So this is how you set up a sponsored products campaign. So let's click on continue and then give your campaign the name. So let's say sponsored products campaign. There you go. And then let's select a start date. And after that, we should put in the daily budget. So let's say $100. And after that, we would have to choose the targeting type, which is automatic or manual. So for the sake of this example, let us choose automatic. And then scroll down, you will see the campaign bidding strategy. There are different bidding strategies available depending on your needs. But for this example, we'll use the dynamic bids up and down. Then the next thing that you will do is enter an ad group name. So since we're selling cosmetics, let's put in lipstick as an ad group name. Then next step is to add each ASIN by clicking on the add button. Then after that, we will have to enter a default bid. Let's say the default bid is $1.86. And the last step that you will have to do is to launch the campaign. So the campaign is now launched. So this is basically how you set up a sponsored products campaign. Now we will go to sponsored brands campaign. All right, so this is how you set up a sponsored brands campaign. So to get here, again, the first thing that we will have to do is to go to advertising, then campaign manager. And once you click on campaign manager, you will be prompted on the screen. And once you're here, you have to click on create campaign and then choose the campaign type. So we will do sponsored brands. Enter the campaign name. Sponsored brands campaign. Then we will have to select the start date. And then enter the daily budget, let's say $100. As for the ad format, sponsored brands can use different ad formats depending on your campaign. For the sake of this example, let us click on product collection. And then we add each ASIN. The next thing that we'll be doing is we will have to enter the headline. So let's put in find the perfect lip shade for you. And then next, open the menu to toggle between different previews. So basically, you can preview your ad on desktop and mobile in both top of search and the search footer. And then after that, choose a targeting method. For this example, we will choose keyword targeting. You can then enter keywords for your campaign, but for the sake of this example, we will just use the suggested keywords. So let's click Add All. And then after that, let's click Submit for review. And there you have it. That's how you set up a sponsored brands campaign. Now let's go to sponsor display campaign. Again, to get here, go to advertising, then campaign manager. And once you're on the screen, create campaign, then click sponsor display, and then enter the campaign name. And then select a start date. In this example, we'll use the default daily budget of $100. Now let's add each ASIN. We can customize the targeting and bidding strategies, but in this example, we will use product targeting. We can now then target by categories or individual products. But for this example, we will use the suggested categories. So let's click Target All. For this one, we can actually customize our bids for each category and product. We can customize our creatives by adding our brand logo and headline. So let's click Customize your creative. Open the menu to toggle between different ad previews. You can then preview your ad in different formats it will appear. And after that, let's click Launch Campaign. So the campaign is now created. That is basically how you do sponsored display campaigns. That's pretty much it, and I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.